I want to streamline my business, make it more efficient, so I've invested in PSL Datatrack. You sold me a number of modules from 1 to 26 depending on the size of my business. I've got it. What are you going to do? You're going to train me, help me?
Okay, it's essential to give you a kickstart in training. You've got to know how to approach using the system. It's not just about where to point, click, what to do, how the business data will flow through the system. And that can either be on a sort of classroom basis with a few people in there, or it can be one-to-one.
Okay. And it will be face-to-face, not over the phone or...
Typically, we tend to have face-to-face training to start with because it's better to engage in that manner. But it can also be tricky to get too much dedicated time in one go.
Yeah.
So we can follow up with additional training on the same basis, or it could be web-based. So break it into hour chunks here or there. All the customers can visit our offices for training.
Excellent. Okay, so I've got this fantastic system. Is it intuitive, Is it going to follow in the right steps?
Okay. The system's designed for exactly subcontract precision engineers. So it starts with a quote. It then follows the logical process of the order being received, acquiring material, bringing material in, producing a job card, and all the steps a standard subcontract precision engineering company has to run through.
So it makes sense, but again, you can tailor it to your needs as well.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. I think a great quote was actually from Gwyneth at Sub-CNC, get her name right, because she's only been there 12 months, but took it on and loves it.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Yes.
And helped George and Jan take the business to the next level. Pay rise for Gwyneth. Anyway, so I've been an engineer for 30 years. I've got loads of paperwork. I've got Excel spreadsheets. I've got this and that going on everywhere. Data is key to getting into your system now.
Well, it can be. So just because you've got lots of old data doesn't necessarily mean it's right to bring it in, but we can import data into the system, and we do import data where it's relevant. But typically with a customer, we would agree how much is valuable. You don't really want to necessarily import old data that's not right into a new system. So sometimes there's a bit of a cleansing process that takes place as well.
Well, a great example is Roger from Seychelles, because he took the company over and the old data wasn't great, but he's invested that time to make it good data. Now it's running an absolute dream.
The system runs really smoothly now.
Yeah. And just to add, he's got his own management reports, absolutely loves the system. Well, don't want to put words in your mouth.
Well, they were customised to exactly his requirements.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So say I've got the system, it's all landed in one go, and there's so much going on. Is that going to happen, or?
Well, what you need to do, if you invest in a large amount of system in one go, it makes sense to break it into phases.
Right.
So you don't try to spread your focus too wide.
Yep.
Focus on winning in elements and then expanding the system to suit.
Okay. So where to from there then?
Okay, so in terms of the system, it's constantly under development. We get ideas from our existing customers, ideas from new customers, prospective customers, ideas from attending association meetings to find out what sort of things we should be looking to bring into the system going forward.
So essentially, growing, developing, improving all the time.
All the time.
Okay, so PSL Datatrack, production control software, making you more profitable, more efficient.